So today I'm going to ask her 5 questions about, when your skin gets dull or you feel like you're looking just tired and a little haggard, what is the solution? Alright, so this is something I go through a lot in spite of, us putting so much of focus on ourselves. Sometimes you just look in the mirror and you're like, oh my god, what's going on? So what can I do? What can I do to rejuvenate my skin?
Well, dull skin, this is not a phenomenon just with you, Rochelle. It happens with most of us. Because our skin is actually a mirror of our inside. And our inside does undergo changes, right? We are stressed, we don't sleep well. A lot of us try to diet and cut on the food. Now remember that food is also feeding your skin, right? It's not just accumulating as fat around. So when you deprive body of that, yes, it goes dull. If your water intake is less, it can look dull. You guys, you are in front of bright lights of camera.
Yeah.
You are sometimes shooting in the sun. So of course, all this affects the skin. So these are the commonest reasons why skin goes dull. But to answer your second question, that what can you do about it? Well, if you're generally feeling a lot of fatigue, like it's like no energy, things which you would do normally you're not able to, you definitely must think of something internal, like a thyroid, like a diabetes, like one of the nutritional deficiency happening in the body, and you have to see a specialist for that. But usually when you come to a dermatologist for skin, we also see that is there something which is nutritionally or metabolically deficient which is happening. So we analyze. We may do a blood test if we have time for that. But at the same time, a lot of nutrients like vitamin C, vitamin A, magnesium, selenium, zinc, chromium, cadmium. These are usually things which actually can immediately dull your skin. And you won't believe that how just diagnosing and treating the condition can actually magically improve the skin. But being a dermatologist, one thing very important is that if you do not take care of the skin per se, as in the routine skincare, then it can go done in like a day.
The routine that you give us every time and we sometimes forget to follow.
True. So
it's a combination of the daily regime, making sure you're getting the right nutrients and
you're
everything that
sleeping well, you're drinking enough water, and of course some things are inevitable. I don't know anybody who is not stressed.
Yeah.
Right? We all
especially
have,
living in a city like Mumbai, just
and
one.
the job which you do, which I do, stress is a part of us.
Yeah. So okay, so this is the long-term plan, right?
It is.
What happens like someone like me who's not very disciplined and sometimes I've let go of my regime and then I realize that I have a big shoot in a couple of days time. Is there anything that I can do when there's just 2 or 3 days before my big day?
Sure, there is a shortcut always, and here the shortcut is that instead of asking you to pop the pills or discipline with the right amount of food and the water and the sleep, what I would do is I would take all these nutrients, put them in drip, and I would push IV. So this is a science called intravenous infusion.
Okay.
So after identifying what your body needs and the common nutrients which are actually like a high dose of vitamin C that can actually cause you like a flushing and a glowing skin.
Is it really that immediate?
It is immediate.
Oh,
See,
wow.
when you're sick, you go to a hospital and a medication is pushed in your intravenous system and you immediately get better. So similarly, the vitamins infusion, when it is taken intravenous, it works like this. So if you tell me that you have 2 days, I would call you on one of the days, give you an infusion, and you would go back smiling.
Wow, guys, I really never thought about that, and I need to help my skin and my hair also.
Yes, there is a hair infusion also. Hair works slower, so we ask you to do some at-home things also. But for skin, it works wonders.
All right, maybe I'm going to try one of those IVs just anyway. Okay, so
and I also want to say that a lot of my surgeon colleagues who operate for long hours, and for my job it's okay because I'm working for an hour max and I can take a break. My doctor can go in. But when you have a surgery which needs a lot of you, most of them take this intravenous infusion. So it's the same thing. You don't have to pop
everything.
Food. So you can just take it in a drip and it reaches, because what you eat doesn't 100% go into the blood where it's supposed to.
Yeah.
But what you take as an IV, it goes directly. Yes.
Wow.
So you were asking your next question.
Yeah, my next question is, what happens if it's like, oh my god, I've looked in the mirror and I have a shoot in the morning. you know, I have one night left. I'm just trying to figure out what to do before I start my makeup the next morning. So do you have any solutions?
Sure. See, there are so many homemade masks. There are sheet masks, there are peel-off masks, there are cream masks. So depending on your skin, you can always night what you do is first you exfoliate.
Okay.
So it's like मैं simply बताती हूँ रोशन, हम पहले झाड़ू लगाते हैं, right? फिर पोछा लगाते हैं. हम स्टेडर में पोछा नहीं लगाते.
Exactly.
तो आपको क्या करना है? आपको पहले स्किन को एक्सफोलिएट करना है. ऊपर से डेड स्किन हट जाती है, तो इट्स मोर. एक तो जो भी आप लगाओगे, इट एब्जॉर्ब्स बेटर इनटू द स्किन, राइट? सो आपको पहले स्किन को एक्सफोलिएट करना है. Which if you have a scrub with you, you can use. If you don't, you can just mix a little bit of besan, put little lemon in that. और आपकी स्किन के लिए I will say a pinch of haldi and honey also, because I know your skin type. So वो थोड़े ingredient आपकी स्किन के हिसाब से आप change कर सकते हो. But with that you just scrub the skin and then.
So basically, moms were right on some level.
At some level they were, not when they talk about lot of other things which are need medical attention. But yes, skin, it helps and it's a quick fix. Like you can put some kind of mask on the face, let it be on for like around 45 minutes, and then wash it off and go to sleep. Also, I must tell you, a good sleep before the event, you
Makes
know
a
that
huge difference.
yes,
Yeah.
So don't be on your phone or you know, don't delay sleeping late. So because it matters. And for those of you who have a little difficulty in sleeping, you know, a melatonin, you've heard of melatonin, you know, it works good.
It does make a huge difference.
Yeah.
Wow. All right. So guys, that's the whole regime. Hey, I have one more question.
Yes,
bonus question. You thought I stopped at 4, right? Okay, bonus question. So I've done everything that I could do the last couple of days, and I am about to step out of the house into the car before I head down. Is there some last minute thing that I can do as a bonus for my skin? You know.
Actually, you can, and you reminded me about
I
it.
thought it was a trick question and she won't have any answer.
Yeah, because there is something I do on flights personally, so yes. So you know, there are these facial mists. Now they are available online. You can go on Nykaa or any online site and buy, or you can even make your own. Like, you know, a little bit of like boil neem with rose, put some green tea bag, और वो जो decoction बनेगा उसको ठंडा करके you fill it in छोटी bottle जो flight पे around भी होगी. And then just spray, you know, from a distance, and उसके बाद आपको एकदम से मिरर में लगेगा कि face गीला गीला, but leave it like that. It seeps in for you. It will even keep your makeup staying, like how the makeup artists use a fixing spray. So this is more of a hydrating spray. So before you go out for your event, when you're stepping in the car, then you can just spray the face and.
Wow, and for those of us who spend a lot of time in traffic, I'm sure it will be calming also to the nerves at that point.
Very correct. Yes.
Alright, so thank you so much for answering my questions, and guys, now you know what to do to give your skin that extra boost, that rejuvenation. But I think the best advice is just do the everyday care, eat right, sleep right,
and start with your basic skincare. This goes a long way in having a good skin.
Alright.
Yeah.